Every morning, millions grab a simple bar of soap, completely unaware of the extreme science inside it. Behind this gentle daily cleanser lies thousands of pounds of boiling fat and volatile chemical reactions. It all unleashes inside massive high-pressure refineries, starting at heavy industrial tanker unloading docks. Thick streams of refined plant oils pump into towering steam-jacketed storage silos holding thousands of gallons. Computerized flow manifolds blast scorching sodium hydroxide lye directly into the primary chemical stream. Inside giant stainless steel reactors, massive mechanical agitators slice through the violent, boiling compound. High-pressure steam jackets spike temperatures past 200 degrees Fahrenheit, driving a massive thermal reaction. This intense exothermal saponification instantly ruptures fatty molecules, transforming caustic chemicals into rich soap paste. Engineers in full safety gear monitor thermal monitors as the white molten lava reaches peak velocity. Submersion jets blast dense brine solution into the vat, stripping away unreacted lye and impurities instantly. High-speed centrifugal separators spin at extreme speeds, siphoning off raw liquid glycerin byproduct for recovery. The purified soap slurry reaches 90% concentration before shooting toward the vacuum drying towers. High-pressure atomizing nozzles spray liquid soap into a giant vacuum chamber under extreme subatmospheric pressure. Flash evaporation instantly freezes hot droplets into microcrystalline flakes that shower down like synthetic snow. High-speed spinning scraper blades continuously shave the hardened white crust off mirror-polished chamber walls. Gravity funnels these warm, dry flakes straight into heavy-duty twin-screw extrusion chillers waiting below. Massive chilled augers crush the compound, forcing millions of bright white soap noodles through die plates. Spinning multi-blade knives slice the continuous noodles, dumping a cascading waterfall of soap onto conveyors. Violent vibrating mesh screens filter out oversized chunks, sending pure, silky noodles into storage hoppers. A male technician in full PPE inspects noodle density under thermal sensors to guarantee moisture accuracy. High-pressure pneumatic transfer tubes launch tons of soap noodles through the air into compounding bays. Automated dosing scales drop exact batches of noodles straight into giant, industrial high-torque ribbon blenders. Precision microinjectors blast concentrated botanical fragrances, whitening agents, and silky moisturizing creams into the mix. Massive helical blades slice through the thick compound, locking active ingredients into a flawless blend. The fragrant mixture dumps onto a heavy inclined belt, feeding directly into a 3-story milling matrix. 3 chilled steel rollers crush the compound under 50 tons of hydraulic force at differential speeds. This brutal shearing action obliterates all microscopic air pockets, transforming noodles into razor-thin soap ribbons. Hardened steel scraper blades continuously peel thin, glowing white silk ribbons off high-speed steel rollers. Cascading ribbons of pure soap shower into the intake funnel of a high-pressure vacuum plotter. Heavy twin screws compress the soap ribbons under total vacuum, crushing out every trace of air. The massive vacuum plotter forces the dense soap mass through a superheated conical extrusion die. A solid, continuous rectangular log of marble-smooth soap emerges seamlessly onto an ultra-fast conveyor belt. Precision infrared heat jackets melt the outer skin, giving the continuous soap bar a mirror-like shine. A high-speed rotary wire cutter slices the moving log into perfectly weighted, uniform rectangular soap blocks. Synchronized acceleration belts launch the raw soap blocks single file into the high-speed stamping station. Heavy chilled brass dies slam down with 50 tons of force, shaping the block instantly. Simultaneously, the high-pressure brass die imprints the razor-sharp iconic brand logo deep into the surface. Sub-zero liquid coolant cycles through the die interior, preventing hot soap from sticking during fast strikes. Automatic trim blades shave off excess outer flashing, instantly sending scrap back into the extruder hopper. High-speed robotic vacuum arms grab newly stamped bars off the line without leaving a single fingerprint. Bars zip past high-resolution optical inspection cameras running real-time AI visual analysis at high speed. Supersonic air blasts blast flawed bars with tiny surface scratches off the track instantly for recycling. A technician in heavy safety gear conducts random density tests to verify internal structural stability. Approved bars enter a massive refrigerated cooling tunnel to permanently lock their molecular structure into place. Freezing sub-zero air blasts cure the outer shell, guaranteeing zero denting during high-speed wrapping operations. Emerging hard as rock, high-speed guide rails align thousands of bars into ultra-fast single lines. Precision laser eyes measure line velocity, locking high-speed flow-wrapping machinery into perfect sync with incoming product. Poly-coated protective paper feeds off high-tension spools, feeding into the high-speed packaging module below. Lightning-fast mechanical folding fingers wrap the protective paper tightly around each soap bar in milliseconds. Thermal sealing jaws instantly weld the end flap shut, creating an airtight moisture shield around every bar. Wrapped bars shoot into the carton module at mind-bending speeds exceeding 300 units per minute. High-speed rotary suction heads snatch gloss cartons from magazines, snapping them open in fractions of a second. Automated mechanical pushers fire wrapped soap bars into open cartons with incredible surgical precision and speed. Precision glue guns shoot liquid adhesive beads before high-speed mechanical tuckers seal every box flap shut. Industrial laser printers etch crisp batch codes, manufacture dates, and tracking barcodes onto outer moving cartons. High-speed collating star wheels group individual boxes into multi-packs of 6 with flawless mathematical precision. Heavy clear shrink film wraps the multi-packs before shooting through a high-temperature thermal shrink tunnel. High-speed Delta robots swoop down, grabbing shrink-wrapped multi-packs and loading them into heavy corrugated cases. A heavy 6-axis industrial robot arm lifts filled cases, stacking pallets with millimeter-perfect geometric precision. Sealed pallets roll onto outgoing freight trucks, supplying millions of pristine soap bars across America daily.